This presentation explores my interpretation on curriculum, as well as several other researchers. First, I believe curriculum is significant because it guides the instruction of the classroom. The curriculum also encompasses a variety of skills in a specific order. The purpose of this is to create a plan that's easy for teachers to follow. Finally, the curriculum assists teachers in achieving a desired outcome. For example, in the state of Alabama, as well as most states in the country, the curriculum is designed to produce students who are college and career ready. One of the researchers that I looked at, Gabi, believes that there are 6 different types of curriculum in the field of education. The first one that he mentions is the intended or official curriculum. He says this is what teachers are required to teach and assess for specific ages or subjects. This is like the course of study that we follow as teachers in the classroom. The second type that he mentions is the enacted curriculum. He says that this is the curriculum that is actually implemented due to variables such as available resources, the educator's knowledge and beliefs, the confidence of the educator, and the expectations that are placed on the educator by parents, community, and administration. A third type that he mentions is the negotiated curriculum. This curriculum takes into account what the learners bring into the classroom. It looks at the learners' backgrounds as well as what the needs of the learners are in the classroom. A fourth type that Gabi mentions is the emergent curriculum. He says the curriculum emerges from the particular connections that develop as participants bring their own genuine responses to the topic and collaboratively create the course to follow out these multiple connections. He gave an example in the reading that talked about a student finding a mud puddle, and the teacher used that mud puddle to give a lesson on the water cycle. Gabi believes that this type of curriculum is most prevalent in younger age groups. A fifth type, and this is one that I'll explore in more detail in a moment, is the hidden curriculum. Gabi believes this occurs as the learner is part of a school, a classroom, or learning center. The sixth type that he mentions is the null curriculum. He says that this includes the topics that are purposely left out of the curriculum due to relevance, age, or subject matter. Gabi believes that all 6 types of curriculum are happening at once in a classroom by a teacher. Another researcher that I looked at talked about the hidden curriculum in more detail. This author said that a hidden curriculum refers to the unspoken or implicit values, behaviors, procedures, and norms that exist in the educational setting. A teacher teaches the hidden curriculum in many ways. One way is through group activities. This can be small groups, peer discussions, things like that. But this is where students are learning to work with one another to achieve a desired outcome. Another way that a teacher can teach the hidden curriculum is through whole group discussion, learning to listen to other people's opinions on topics, and also looking at taking turns on saying things in the classroom. Finally, a teacher teaches the hidden curriculum through modeling. If the teacher wants to teach students how to share or to use good manners, then the teacher models that for the students first. This is how students learn appropriate social norms in the classroom, is through this type of curriculum. A final thing that I looked at were barriers to implementing the curriculum into the classroom. I looked at 2 articles on this. The first article by Nevin Glosky, Kale, and Aguilar found that the curriculum cannot be properly implemented into a school without providing professional development opportunities. This professional development should give teachers a chance to study the curriculum before they implement it into their classrooms. Weiner and Pimentel also stressed the importance of professional development in their article. They believe that system leaders should schedule these professional development opportunities so that teachers can address how to best implement standards-aligned curriculum into their classrooms. According to these authors, this professional development should do several things. First, it should be a team effort, which means that everybody in the school and the school system is working towards this goal of implementing the curriculum into the classroom. Second, it should be taught by content specialists. English teachers should be teaching how to implement the English standards into the classroom. Third, it should be applicable to the needs of the students. As mentioned earlier, one of the types of curriculum looks at the learner's needs in the classroom. Finally, the professional development should be ongoing. This is perhaps the most important because teachers cannot achieve this in one professional development day. This is something that has to occur throughout the school year and throughout several school years so that teachers can feel most comfortable implementing the curriculum into their classroom. Finally, this is a list of the references that I used to complete this activity. Thank you.